Did you ever dream of having clear, beautiful skin without constant itchiness or dry skin? Or just have less irritated skin so that you feel comfortable in your own skin? I was just like you for over 30 plus years. Hi, beautiful. Welcome back to Hungry Gopher. I'm Sanjung. Today, I want to share a story that might resonate with you. It's a story about overcoming recurring skin issues, severe itchiness, and the struggle to find a solution. I didn't always have the clear, beautiful skin that you see today. My skin issues began from birth. By the age of 12, I was diagnosed with seborrheic dermatitis. For 30 years, steroids were my constant companion, even on my backpacking trips to Mongolia. Flare-ups were mostly on my scalp, making it raw, red, and itchy. I also had seasonal allergies, food allergies, hives, and other skin issues. My doctors told me that that's the way it is. It'll never go away. You'll have to live with it the rest of your life. So I believed that was just how it was. And things took a turn for the worse. Stress from a company bankruptcy in 2014 made my skin issues unbearable. Steroids stopped working. My skin was so itchy, dry, and red, I couldn't stop scratching, even with more steroids and other medications. Out of desperation, I searched for a solution and I found anti-inflammatory diet. By applying this diet, I got some amazing results. I got off steroids and got clear skin naturally for the first time in my life in 30 years. The foundation of an anti-inflammatory diet is removing highly inflammatory foods to lower inflammation in your body. In return, it's gonna give your skin the glow and the clarity and supply your body with nutrient-rich food that'll heal your skin. So this way, you can heal your skin from inside out. What you eat and what you remove from your diet has a huge impact on your skin and your health in general. Also, your mental health and your emotional health is just as important and has huge impact on your skin. Try this. Next time, when you have a lot of self-negative talks that you're not good enough, you don't look good enough, you're old or fat, whatever it is, right? Touch your skin and see how your skin is coarse and rough. Then take a few deep breaths and focus on your breathing for a few minutes and touch your skin and see how it feels different. You'll notice the difference in your skin just by doing this small shift. If you're a beginner at natural skin healing, or if you have been eating clean, but your skin problems keep coming back, I have a perfect solution for you at no risk. The Korean Clear Skin Formula. I have created this program just for you because hundreds of people have commented on my videos about how much they have struggled daily with their skin issues and not being able to sleep and being depressed because of that. And sometimes they just want to cry. It doesn't have to be that way. You can heal. You can get clear, beautiful skin all naturally and feel great in your own skin without recurring skin issues. How am I so certain? Because I've done it. I've done it since 2015, and my clear skin students are getting wonderful results as well. Ready to get clear, radiant skin without giving up your favorite foods? Start your 14-day free trial of Korean Clear Skin Formula now. Click the link below and embark on your journey to clear, glowing skin naturally. It's been 8 years since I said farewell to steroids and all anti-itching creams. No more irritated skin, no itchiness, no scars, no dried skin, no rashes, and definitely no more flare-ups. Sometimes I wake up and Mr. Lunch, my husband, will stroke my face and he goes, 𝘒𝘾𝙼𝘾𝙃. Amazing, right? My clear skin journey had some bumps, so you don't have to suffer the same. I know winter months and changing seasons can be challenging because your skin will get dry and there'll be more flare-ups. I used to wake up, start scratching my scalps really hard. So waking up to bleeding was a common thing for me, but not anymore. My skin is clear and beautiful, and I'm medicine-free since 2015. Visit hungrygopher.com for more natural skin healing recipes and tips. Let's make your skin healing journey easy, fun, and delicious. Thanks for watching. I hope my story gives you hope for your clear skin journey. Leave a comment below this video to share your story. I'd love to know what you're experiencing now and how your skin is doing. And I'll see you next time. Until then, stay beautiful. Bye now. Ready to get clear, radiant skin without giving up your favorite foods? Start your 14-day free trial of Korean clear skin formula now. Click the link below and embark on your journey to clear, glowing skin naturally.